guys, today we're gonna make Tikka Masala. My mom is gonna help me.
First, we're gonna marinate the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Add some yogurt. Half lemon juice. Add cashmere chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and salt. All these are half teaspoon. Marinate. Keep this in the side for 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna make the gravy. Add some oil into a pan and turn on the heat. Now your oil is very hot. Make your heat too low. And add 1 chopped onion, sort it. Next, add 2 chopped tomato and 2 chopped green chili. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and some salt. There we go. It was about half teaspoon. I'm going to add the rest of the spices. Add 2 teaspoons of Tikka Masala. And half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Two teaspoons of cashmere chili powder. And half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix together. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water and cook to 5 to 10 minutes. It's almost cooked, so I'm going to add brown sugar. It's 2 tablespoons. This is completely optional. I'm adding so I can get some taste. We're going to keep this in the side after it cool down. After it cooled down, we're going to make this into a fine paste. Turn off your phone. It's 30 minutes now. We are going to fry the chicken. In a heated pan, add some oil. Turn your heat to low. Medium. Add your chicken. Fry the chicken on both sides. The chicken has cooked on both sides. We are going to transfer it into a different bowl. It has cooled down now. I'm going to make a paste. Now I'm going to make this to a fine paste. Our paste is ready. I'm going to transfer to a different bowl. Turn on the heat. Leave it for 2 minutes. It has started bubbling. Add half cup of heavy cream and your chicken. And your chicken. Serve it with naan or basmati rice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.